Most professionals do not lack experience, they lack a clear way to translate it into the role they want next. Today, I'll show how CareerAlign AI turns career evidence into a match score, a credible story, and a practical plan. User provided CareerAlign AI. Have you ever known you could do the next role but struggle to prove it on paper? CareerAlign AI creates one evidence chain instead of four disconnected career documents. Now let's get into the demo. So I have entered here my email address to sign in, and I will also enter my password. So you can see I have signed in with my email address. It will show me the dashboard, and it will also show me the saved analysis, and it can also compare the roles. But right now I haven't done anything, so it is not showing me anything. So the first thing is first section which I see on the right side is current role. This section comes as a pre-populated just for the demo purposes. So I have captured the current role as senior consultant with 17 years of experience and current seniority as senior. The industry I have mentioned here is enterprise technology and consulting. Then I have also captured some of the professional experience summary from one of the resume. So you can enter your professional experience summary and major achievements in the section 1. Section 2 basically entails the skills and qualifications. So whatever major skills you have, you will mention it in the section separated by commas, and the certifications separated by comma. In the third section, you will enter the desired role, where you will enter the desired job title, target seniority level, target industry, and the optional job posting. So here I have also mention the optional job posting which I want to apply for. The tone, you can keep it as professional, executive, technical, and concise. I will keep it as professional, and English also you can keep it as Canadian, American, and British for generating the career analysis. After doing this, you will hit the generate career analysis button. Once you hit this button, it will generate the analysis for you. So, for example, for this role, the candidate is in senior consultant role and aspires to be an enterprise architect, where the match is only 58% right now, and the readiness level is developing match. So there are different sections which this report contains. For example, career match, job description, experience translator, skill gaps, resume, and interview. And we will go through each section. So the first is the career match section. Here you will have pre-populated weights along with the different skills and responsibilities. So for example, for this candidate, you can see the relevant responsibilities are weighted 20%, but this candidate holds only 49%. Similarly, experience and seniority, he holds 100%, but the weight is only 15%. The second thing is important thing is evidence backed strengths. So the resume needs to be modified, or the strengths and summary needs to be modified in order to back the enterprise architect level resume. Now, in the second section, you have the job description. This is the job description where the person should be applying for, so he can see the job description and accommodate his uh, resume. Experience translator and the skill gaps. Skill gaps is very important. Like for example, the resume is showing that the would-be position should have architectural governance as high. However, the candidate does not have it, and so what should be the action that can be taken, and what is the estimated duration for that. And after that, it can also show 30-60 days plan. How can you achieve to be an enterprise architect if you are operating on a senior level? Then it also tells you what are your resume ready statements in the resume section, and in interview section it will give you some practice questions and 60-second transition pitch where you can play around, and you can actually use it for your interviews. You can download this in Word format and PDF format. Here I am downloading it in the PDF format, and you can see it has come very well. That is it for this demo. Thank you so much. Before using CareerAlign,
A professional may say, I have experience, but I'm not sure how it fits the role I want. After using Career Align, that uncertainty becomes a score showing current readiness, a story communicating relevant evidence, and a plan showing exactly what to do next. CareerLine AI does not decide your future. It helps you build the evidence needed to move toward it. Which role would you test first? Please let me know in comments.